So we will continue with this dictionary with library books, but here is the goal. I would like to create a function which add a new dictionary to the library book. So here you can imagine, here please write a comma, okay? And here we need a function and it will add a new dictionary, okay? So you can't go and write it here by hand, okay? No, by function. So you can do it or you can try it by yourself if you want, and I will do it as well. So you can work with me or you can try it by yourself. So the function, I will call it addBook. I think it's a good name, right? addBook. So what does it mean? So it means that I will send here a library. Okay, so it means where I need where I want to add the new dictionary. So it will be library books. Okay, and the library, which will be library books. So I will append a new book. It will be the new dictionary. Of course, it isn't done, so we need to create it. Okay, so now I need to create a new book. So what does it mean, append? Append means that it will be given to the last place of the list. Okay, so if I append to the library, and it will be the library books. So if I will, this will be library books, append new book. So the new book will be at here, okay, like the last item of the list. So now we need to create a new book. So it will be new book. Of course, it will be dictionary. So here we have a title, but I need a title for the new book. So the title will goes here. So after that we will call the function. Somebody has to send us the library books. It will be called library here. After that she or he should send us the title of the book, and so on. So title will be here. Okay, this is a parameter. So we can think about it like a variable. Okay, so there will be a title. So here there will be author, and again we need the author from the user. Okay, or not from the user, from us. After that we will call the function. Okay, so after that we have genres, and again we need to put genres here. Maybe it will be a list, so that's absolutely okay. It can be whatever we need. And times borrowed. So I will need to send to the function times borrowed. And we can we spoke about functions a lot, so we know that if somebody didn't give times borrowed, there will be problem, because this function need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parameters. So but we can store here the default value. So it means if there is no times borrowed, so the times borrowed will be set to 0. Okay, like this. Okay, and that's it. We have the function. So the new dictionary called new book will be created by these options. Okay, it will go here, 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 and here. And after that, the library, it will be this library books in the real life. After that we will call the function. So the library append new book. So it means the new book, it means this will be append to the library books here. Okay, so it means you have to call the function. Okay, like this. So addBook, at first we need to send there a library. So what is the library? It's a library books. Okay, so it means library books will be here. Library books dot append new book. Perfect. Now we have to send there a title. So we need to think up some title like Brave New World, for example. After that, author, it will be Aldous Huxley. After that, we need genres. So it will be, for example, it can be string, of course. It can be a list. It can be whatever you need. So dystopian and science fiction. And after that, we don't have to send there times borrowed. If we don't send there times borrowed, so it means there will be no number here. It will goes like this. So times borrow will be set to 0. But I would like to send there some number, for example 5. So it means the times borrow will be set to 5. Okay, so we send there all these arguments. Here we call it parameters. Do you remember? And if there is library books, it will be here. Title is Brave New World, it will be here. So title, column, Brave New World. After that, Huxley is the author, so it will be author, Huxley. This is genres, so it will be genres, column, and here will be the list, okay, this list. And the number 5 is times borrow, so times borrow will be, and this here will be 5, okay. And we append everything like this new dictionary to the library. But the library is what? Library is library books, okay. I hope you understand. So we will print now the library books, and there should be 3 dictionaries. You can check it. Maybe I will clear it, run it. Okay, it's a list. There is 1 dictionary. This is 2nd dictionary and the 3rd dictionary, and it's the new one. Okay, perfect. We can print the last one if we want. So we know it's a 3rd, so it's number 2, okay, because it will be 0, 1, 2. Okay, I will run it. We will see. Okay, that's it. Or you can print it like this. -1. -1 means the last one. Okay, so these 2 lines are completely the same. So if we will run it, you can see the dictionaries are completely the same. Okay, so you can use this code to print it, or this. Okay, so I hope, guys, you understand. I hope you enjoy it, and we will see in the next video.